Okay guys, watch the process of making butter sweet bread, guys. So here is the pan. We have our milk. Here is the milk. We pour it inside. We add in yeast. This is yeast. So I will use 1.5. This is half. And pour it inside. Each one contains 1 spoon. So I use 1.5 spoons like that. 1 teaspoon. So this is the full pack. This is 1 full spoon. So I will mix it together. Here is the sugar I want to make use of, guys. I'll pour it inside. I will also add a little bit of salt. You can make sure your salt, don't add it like that. Add a little bit of salt inside. I will add the butter. This is butter. I melted it, so I will pour it inside. I melted the butter so that it will be easy for me to use. Pour it inside. So make sure you mix it. So guys, I will add in the egg I want to make use of. So guys, I make use of 4 eggs. So I will mix it. So it's time to add our flour. So this is 1 kg flour. So I'm going to use this. I turn it to mix it. You can see the way I'm mixing it. We add again. So you have to add it little by little. Using my hand to mix it now. As you can see, we are done mixing it. So we are going to cover it for 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes we'll be back. So guys, take a look at our dough. It's already rice, you can see that. We put it here. Let's try it. Let's try it. You can see the way the dough rice. It's very nice, guys. This is how they use it for the So I'm covering it with this. I'll cover it with this one. I will also use nylon to cover it. So we are going to wait for 45 minutes. Time to open it. So let's open it. As you can see, it's rice. You can see the difference. So it's time for us to put it for oven. So I'll be adding oil to rub it. Okay guys, it's time for me to put it for oven. Okay guys, ta-da! Our bread is ready, as you can see. So this is our bread, guys. It's ready. You can see it. So yummy. So we are going to be opening one. It's very hot. Let me take a small one. So hot. Just take a look. You can feel the vibe of this bread. It's hot. Really, don't go about your hand. You can see inside. So soft.